Hello everyone, my name is Lee Masen. I am a hotelier with over 26 years in hospitality experience, mainly with 5-star international hotel chains such as Intercontinental Hotel Group, Sofitel, Le Méridien, and Starwood Hotel Group. My experience in leadership position over 20 years, including general manager, executive assistant manager, director of operation, and food and beverage manager. I am now a group general manager in a group hospitality company based in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. I believe my experience can be beneficial for sharing some value to those are interested in hospitality industry by this YouTube channel. My first subject today that I want to share is SWOT. Before we go further, what is SWOT? SWOT is strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Definition of SWOT. SWOT is the snapshot of movement of time of the company, organization, or hotel at a particular moment of time to identify both internal and external factors with positive or negative impact on achieving objective. Please remember, SWOT is the snapshot of moment of time. It is not about the period. To make you understand easily, there are two main financial reports we are using in hotel or any business. One is balance sheet, two is P&L. P&L is not about one moment. P&L is accumulate of period. P&L will show us how we did or perform for certain period of time, for 1 month or 1 year. How much revenue we generate for 1 year, how much GOP we generate for 1 year. That is P&L. Balance sheet. Balance sheet is different from P&L. Balance sheet is for a snapshot. How much cash we have, what is our liability, what is our capital, so that SWOT is the status. Anyway, SWOT is similar to balance sheet. Okay, so why we do SWOT? First of all, to analyze a situation. When we have a situation, it helps us to categorize as a positive factor, negative factor, internal factor, or external factor, so that we can see the situation better. Another one is why we do SWOT is to make the right decision. Let's say, example, I am 19 years old. I want to decide what I want to do in the future. As my job, should I be a hotelier? Should I be a lawyer? Should I be a banker? How do I decide? We need to have some analysis, right? In order to make a big decision. So, SWOT is help us to make the right decision. Looking outside current situation, like in the moment, economic crisis, political stability is not good. So, I should not become a lawyer. That's why SWOT is help us to make the right decision. Another thing we do SWOT is to explore solution to problem. When we have a problem, we need to find solution. How do we find solution? We need to analyze the situation as per the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Another thing why we do SWOT, we need to identify USP, unique selling point. What is our strength? What is the business strength? We need to see our unique selling point. Another thing we do SWOT is to identify target market. How do we identify target market? we need to ask ourselves, what is our strength of our product and service? Our product strength is suitable for family. Do we have critical weakness, which is blocking us to sell our service and product to the family market? If we target a wedding, we need to ask ourselves, what is our strength in relation of selling wedding? Do we have any significant weakness to sell wedding? So without SWOT, it's very difficult to identify our target market. Another thing why we do SWOT is to develop sales and marketing strategy. We can compile our strategy such as sales strategy, marketing strategy, and then we can decide our pricing. Another thing why we do SWOT is to develop pricing strategy. How come we can decide pricing? Because when we do strength and weakness, we compare ourselves with our competitor. If we think we have more strength than our competitor, we have very few weakness comparing to our competitor, so our pricing strategy should be selling higher than our competitor. On the other hand, we cannot really see who strength compared to other hotel. We have many weakness compared to other hotel. So our pricing strategy should be more conservative. So SWOT analysis help us to make decision on pricing strategy. Another thing why we do SWOT is eventually we achieve objective. As a group, as a company, as an organization, our objective could be GOP, maximize revenue. As a personal objective, we can see getting a new job or making a happy family. Become successful, whatever it is, SWOT analysis is to achieve our objective. Okay, so now we know what is SWOT is. We know why we're doing SWOT. Now, let's talk how we can do it in the next episode. Please stay tuned.